I would like a travel trailer placed on my driveway next to my house so I can rebuild my home myself. What will happen if I am not finished in 18 months?
Basically, what we do once they license into a unit is FEMA stays in regular contact with the survivor. They sign a license-in agreement that says, among other sort of expected criteria, you have to take care of the unit and so forth. You have to meet with us. They also have to have a permanent housing plan. So our unit is temporary. What's the permanent plan? And we are going to meet with them monthly to see what progress is being made. So for example, if the plan is to get a loan from the Small Business Administration in order to make repairs, we're going to be following up on that. Did you do it? If it's going to be a bank loan, if you need nonprofit assistance, we're going to work with them closely. We'll also try to ensure that they have a disaster case manager so that everybody's working together. As long as the applicant is doing everything that they can do to achieve that permanent housing plan, we can continue to find them eligible. And because we're not expecting miracles, but we are expecting that they do everything that they can do as far as controlling the process and keeping it moving. If we hit that 18-month mark and the state recognizes, along with the local officials, that it wasn't enough time, then we'll sit down at the table with the state and talk about potential extensions.